Face lotion restores dry skin with 48 hours of long-lasting moisture. Actively hydrates to help smooth skin texture and fight the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Lightweight lotion moisturizer won't clog pores. Experience the original pink beauty fluid, hydrating to help soothe dry skin for 60 years. Replenish skin with 48 hours of moisture with the original pink beauty fluid, Olay's active hydrating moisturizing lotion. For over 60 years, this daily moisturizer has helped millions of women, all over the world, soothe dry skin with long-lasting hydration. This hydrating and non-greasy face lotion restores skin's moisture to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles without clogging pores. Experience Olay's classic moisturizing lotion to reveal beautifully soft and smooth skin. Top reviews from the United States. Always the best. I've liked it for 20 or 30 years. I'm sensitive to the product with sunscreen, however. That's just me. Fair-skinned and sensitive. That's why original suits me best.